You telling me that you built a time machine out of a DeLorean?
What's up, what it do? It's your girl KB and welcome to my channel. You already know what to do. Click that subscribe button down below. Y'all, I will be doing another Valentine's Day look in this video. And I also will be using this Nars Foundation. Y'all, I never used it. This shit was expensive as hell. So I will be trying this Nars Foundation out. I'm not sure what look I'm going for. So y'all just stay tuned and keep on watching. So as y'all can see, I've already done started my eyebrows. And yeah, for one thing, I cannot find my little mirror, the one I always use in like every video. For some reason, it is not here. I cannot find it. I am highly upset. So I have to use this big old thing. So I took some white LA Girl Pro concealer and I'm just gonna put this on the center of my lid. And I'm just gonna blend this out. So the palette I'm using is the Makeup Revolution palette, the Birds of Paradise palette. I'm just taking this pink shade that is up in the palette and I'm just putting that up above towards my brow bone and up in the crease. And I'm just gonna work this shade all up in there. And then I'll be right back. Okay, so y'all, I didn't even record myself with the second part of the eye. I was tripping and I forgot. But all I did was go in with like this purple shade and I just went to the crease and I just, you know, whoop, 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 put it up in there. So now I'm gonna do a cut crease. It's gonna take me forever, so I'm not gonna do the whole thing on camera. So I'm just going in with the purple shade that I laid down in the crease of my eye in the beginning. And I'm just blending that out with the same pink shade as well. So I'm just blending that out, making it really deep and dark on the corners of my eyes. And just like that. Just doing like a lot of, I'm doing a lot of blending just to get it to where I would want it to be. I think that's good enough. So yeah, cute. So that's all I'm gonna do for the eyes. I'm gonna go in with these Lash Bomb lashes, y'all. You know, these are my favorite little quick and easy lashes that I get from my hair store here. So I'm gonna put these on real brief. I mean, I also did get these big ass lashes, y'all. I got these big ass lashes, but I am not gonna be wearing these ones because I wanna save these for a certain time. So we'll be putting these ones on real quick and then I'll be right back. So I'll be using this Nars Foundation. So I'm gonna do a couple pumps on my hand, like so, like that. And concealer. This is why I need my mirror. It's killing me. So I'm gonna go in and just tap this into the skin. Y'all, this is good. Hold up, wait a minute, Nars. Hold up, wait a minute, Nars. Nars Foundation, y'all. Hey, maybe you wanted something. I'm not even sure how much this was. I forgot because I've had it for like, you know, like 2 months and I just have not used it. So, yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. This foundation kind of got me like, give me orangey, very, very golden vibes. I mean, it works. Well, it's going to have to work out for me. So. It's cool. So, whatever. Now I'm just taking some Milani concealer in the shade Warm Tan. This is my first time using this as well. Yeah, I'll really just be picking up products in the store or wherever I'm at. And I just use them, try them out. I just like trying out different things. So, if y'all see me ever switching things up, don't worry, I'm just trying it out. But this is really creamy. I like the way this feels. It smells like concealer. So I'm gonna take out this little, I just use it a little bit. I'm just gonna take this little baby beauty blender and I'm gonna tap out this, blend it out, blend all of this stuff out. I'm gonna take it and snatch it, bring it back. It's like I'm pulling those eyes out, you know what I mean? So, at least that's what I think I know I'm doing, y'all. I don't know, but this is cute, y'all. I like the way this concealer blends. I like the creaminess of it. So, this is nice. Oh yeah, I gotta start telling myself to remind you guys to subscribe to my channel while I am doing these videos. I'll know, like, I'll post it, like, you know, in the little corner to subscribe, but I never put say physically to subscribe. So do that. So just gonna like blend all of this concealer out. Next, I'm just gonna take this Fit Me loose finishing powder in the shade Deep. And I'm just gonna put it underneath my eyes just to sit in my eyes and just a little bit on my forehead, just in like the areas I would crease up in. Just so I can make sure that stuff is set down, it ain't gonna move, it's not gonna crease up. This right here is the NYX highlight and contour palette. I just do a light contour on my face, just a light bronze, just a little bit. Like so, like that, period. Lord, I'll be looking good, okay? Like I said, I comes through. Like what it do, baby. Finally, y'all, I'm just gonna set my face with this NYX matte setting spray. You already know I got my fan. So you guys, this is the final look. All I did was throw on this pink bomber jacket that I got at the thrift store for like $4. It's really cute. Like the stitching on it is like has like a wavy pattern for like the buttons. And see, yeah, what else? I wasn't sure what to do with my lips. Since I'm always doing like a neutral nude kind of thing, but this came out really cute. So if you like this, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, something like that. I told myself that I was going to do another Valentine's Day look, and I did. I'm going to try to do one more before Valentine's Day hits, so be on the lookout for that. But this came out really cute, you guys. I stayed up late doing this, so make sure you are liking this video. Yeah, so thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.